The brand sent me this product, and after using it, here is what I think. If you love fidget toys that are actually creative and challenging, this shape-shifting magnetic cube is seriously satisfying. This is the Shashibo Shape Shifting Box in the Blue Planet design. Right away, the artwork is vibrant and detailed, which makes it feel more premium than a typical fidget toy. It's built with ultra-strong magnets that allow the cube to transform into over 100 different shapes. You start with a simple cube, but as you twist and fold it, it shifts into geometric patterns and 3D structures. The magnets snap smoothly into place, which makes it really satisfying to use. I've found it both relaxing and mentally engaging. It's great as a desk toy, a sensory tool, or even a screen-free activity for kids and teens. It feels durable and holds its shape well without falling apart. If you're looking for a creative STEM-inspired gift that works for kids, teens, or even adults who like puzzles, this is a fun and interactive option.